Madam, I appreciate you. That's Richie's mom. Yeah, you're welcome. Where is the mother to the bride? Where is she? She's inside. Okay. Well, however, once more, I appreciate each and every one of us here. We hereby declare this event open to the glory of God. And as we depart here to our various home, we'll get back to our various home safely. In Jesus' mighty name. Thank you once more. MC.
Music, please, music. Okay, bring it down. Thank you, sorry. Okay, without wasting much of our time, tradition must be observed, you know. They say orientation changes, but tradition remains. Hello? Orientation changes, but tradition remains. So at this point in time, may we humbly, peacefully move on to the next item we have on the agenda here, which is the breaking of the kola nuts. But I would like to do this one in a unique way. So I am observing the audience. I will need somebody to help me. Because if you notice this occasion, there is no one particular place that is called a high table. Everywhere is a high table. So at this point in time, I'll be looking out for any beautiful single lady, any lovely, caring, smart, intelligent, beautiful, generous, wonderful young lady that can assist me to move the kola nuts from one table to the other. So if I sight anybody here in the spirit of love and joy, please just put your hands together for. Someone's there. Oh, God bless you. Where is she there? Please put your hands together for her. Put your hands together for her. You know your work for the occasion. Stand this side. You don't really know what you carry go. Come this side. Very good. Now we want to break the kola nuts. So we'll go over there where the elders are. They will give you a plate that consists of the Then you will be moving from table to table. Let me give up. Behold the kola nuts. You help me send it to different tables. So starting with that of the Igbos, please. Starting with that of the Igbos here in our midst, please. Where are the Igbo? Where cannot be Igbo people there here? Okay, but we'll start with let's start with the chairman. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. I think I'll work in tandem with my chairman at this point in time. But please, just stand by. Your work, I will stand by. Very good. Okay. Very quickly, traditionally, the way it is being done here, behold the kola nuts, and it happens to start with the chairman recognizing everybody here, and the chairman definitely will be directing us on where to different places to take these kola nuts to. With your wealth of experience, please.
Once more, good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. They have presented the kola. Here comes the kola. This kola will go around all the tables. Okay? This kola will go around all the tables. So you start with the parents of the groom, Okay? After you give to them, you now go to the parents of the bride. Then from there you proceed. I'm sure this color goes around. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, different people, they represent different places where they're from. Somebody that is not from Nigeria can represent abroad people with one kola nut. But abroad person fit say na fruit o. You no go know say na kola nut o. Na fit give am go say na cashew nut. Na so bright Chinwe go America that year go dey eat our food go for ogbono. They say they commit suicide. I dey like occasion wey Igbo people dey because whether food no dey, drink must dey. And I like occasion wey Yoruba people dey because whether drink no dey, food must dey. Na why as an Igbo boy I dey plan marry Yoruba girl make the two dey. And just to let you know, my own wedding is coming up by God's grace next year Saturday. You are all invited. The kola nut still dey go round. But I want to ask this very simple question, please. Hello? Make una observe o. The married men wey dey here, please, everybody, put your hands together for the married men here. Our fathers in our midst. We don dey clap for different people now. Only the responsibility I dey face as a bachelor, abeg. A round of applause for the married men here, abeg. Wait o, if man and woman see each other, or space cover abeg, or space cover. Watch o, if man and woman now, man and woman see each other, man and woman come like each other. For Africa here, who is expected to walk up to who? Is it the man or the woman? I want to hear you, the man or the woman? The man should walk up. Okay, if they can't like themselves, they won't marry, pay bride price. Who they pay bride price? Man or woman? And then they hear now, man or woman? Very good. If the woman now carry belle, born pikin, who they go hospital go pay hospital bill? Man or woman? And then they hear now, man or woman? Now, when they come visit baby, visitors visit baby, dash baby money, who they hold the money? Man or woman? Okay, now the money come, woman come in. Now when the money don't come, woman don't come in. All right, very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, I believe the color don't go round. Bring her now small. Okay. All right, so I believe the kola nut don't go round. So, Mr. Chairman, please, traditionally, you break the kola nut and move to the next table, let them break.
Yeah, the kola nuts. We have done the listening to the kola nuts. That tradition demands. Thank you.
But from the table that the kola nut have been served, I believe, okay, wait. Very good. I want them very sure say the kola nut now reach everybody supposed to reach. I believe say e reach Igbo people table. Hello? The kola nut reach Igbo people table, abi? The kola nut reach Ikore man table, abi? No, Ikore people dey here. Traditionally, I want know. The kola nut dey Ikore man table. Na lady at the sea wey dey shout e dey. You go say Ikore woman table now. All right, the kola nut reach. Very good, yeah. Ikore people dey there.
Ikore animeka o. Ikore animeka o. Elere yamma. Igbo kwenu. Nigeria Pajonu.
Okay. I believe said the caller now don't go round.
If you go back, go control or keep up. If you go back now, go share food. Don't do that with you for now.
No, sorry. Everything here is working in reverse, so you don't blame me. Hello, are we good to go? Okay, very quickly, conservatively, I want to take the cola nuts now to two set of people here in our midst. I'm talking about the armor of their people here in our midst. Can they please indicate? I want to take it to an elder. The armor of their people here. Very good. I'm supposed to bring one to the. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I just handed the cola nuts to an elder from our people. We the Igbos, I'm talking about my people from Amobia, they are here. I just handed the cola nuts to my elder from there. So will I, at this point, please hand over the cola nut as well to our in-laws from Choba rather. From Choba, please. Obiakpo local government of River State, Choba, if you have them here. Very good, please. Permit me.
Okay, you have one. No way extra is not allowed. If you go restaurant shop, you don't believe you say, madam, give me extra.
Hello. I'm walking down to see the parents of the bride, the people of Amobia. Ndị Amobia, ekele m especially. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you all. Chief, I appreciate you all. Because we are also meant to understand that some of our people are rich. Some of our people from Obiako are at your place. So what we are doing here is a kind of marriage in line with the traditional and traditional.